Guys, welcome back to part 2 of me trying to trade for my dream fidgets, you know. Guys, this girl has a pop tube and it's in the trading spot. Maybe she's trading it. Hey, can I offer her a pop tube? Sure, what's your offer? I'll offer this blue Orby stress ball. It's so good. Maybe add a bid. This is one of my only fidgets. Okay, I guess I'll go find them around the trading hut. Guys, a cat emoji right here. A monkey noodle, it's pink. I'll add this pink monkey noodle and this cat emoji. Is that enough? OMG, that's such a good offer. I'll accept this. I'll accept 2. Thank you so much. Guys, I finally got all the fidgets she wanted. Let's see if she'll accept. Bye, come back for part 2.